The sun is rising. Look at that glow, because today is Sunday, concours day for DRT 2023. We got all the cars starting to line up for check-in, and this is about to become a massive, massive festival and celebration of Porsches. And I went ahead and made sure to get it detailed with a nice mud bath. So let's go ahead and check out cars once they're all set up. So the event is essentially in full swing. I already finished one roll of film on my Minolta. Now I am on my little Vivitar. Then I'll go ahead and transfer over to the Nikon, so we'll see how those come out. But the turnout is fantastic. Right here we have Al, the owner of ZWECK's personal wide body hot rod. This thing is absolutely sick. It's got wide body poops in the front, some nice 3-piece Gaudis, OG Gaudis in the rear. Super, super sick. Oslo Blue GT3 Touring. Mark's ultra high mile 356 as well. He's driven this literally everywhere in North America. Absolutely awesome to see it. We got this beautiful white factory special wishes slant nose from ASG. They got some pretty good spot here. Smack in the front. Love this car. So Smith's GTS is right here. And then we got another earlier 955 on these beautiful 1552s. Full tent setup as well. Really, really cool. So here we are at the hangar. We got this awesome 993 race car. Looks absolutely insane. Very 90s with the Tiger on it. So now I know where you're wondering, why is there a VW bus at a Porsche event? First off, it's on BBS E88. Second off, back in here, there's a fully built 993 Carrera S engine in it. I think it's actually an RS engine that's in there. But on the inside, we got ourselves this crazy Momo wheel. Beautiful leather interior with Porsche seats on the inside as well. Out here, the palette theme continues. We got this beautiful 356. It's a Super. So this actually is a B, if I'm not mistaken. And so with the Bs, there was discs in the front and drums in the rear. Then there was the C, which had discs all around. And then the SC, which was the final iteration of it before they introduced the 901/911. Then we got JC's other 930 turbo that he has here with a gold script. Very, very 80s. Beautiful interior. Super cool backdated Resto Mod Targa. Insane spec GT3 RS. As a matter of fact, I think this is the GT3 RS that was at RM when I was there. Old school wood panel towing this iconic wide body RS. Definitely races in historics. Underneath you can see just how clean that build is. It's on slicks. Got yourself an OMP carbon bucket. So I'm here with my good friends at Roof, and this little yellow bird that's locked in the cage. We're gonna go inside and see it. Look at that. So unfortunately the audio wasn't too good in this cage, but here we are with Roof's newest yellow bird. This thing is a full carbon monocoque chassis. Look at the interior, Alcantara everywhere with deviated stitching, new edge technology with carbon fiber all over the car, super lightweight design with a 4-liter flat 6 producing 700 horsepower thanks to a twin turbo setup in the back. Then in the engine bay, you actually have access to seeing not only the plenum and everything that helps make this car insanely powerful, but also the suspension. It's actually tucked all the way back in there, and it's push rod. This thing sounds insane. Super cool Speedster Outlaw. Leaving right now, the end of the day. Officially over. DRT 2023 is a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Cheers.